Good morning, children. How are you? What we are discussing in the previous classes? Block 4, subtracting 4-digit numbers from 4 digits. Okay, we are discussing two methods. We have discussed two methods, expanded form and regrouping tens and hundreds. Okay, then you know that regrouping tens and hundreds, we will do more problems in the previous classes. Okay, then today I give some problems to you. One problem I give to you. Then you find out the answer. Okay. Subtract. Write down this question. Subtract. Subtract 2999 from 8,532. 8,532. Then using column method, you do this. Before writing column method, what we do? We want to draw columns. Ones. For identify, I will just mark here places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Only 4 digits, so I draw 4 columns only. Then we want to arrange the numbers. First number, which is first number? 2,999 or 8,532, which is the first number? Good. 8,532 is the first number because we want to subtract this number from this. We want to subtract this number from this. So, we are writing first number is 8,532. Then second number just town. 9. Ones place is 9. Tens place also 9. 100 place also 9. And 1000 place is 2. Then we will check it. How to subtract the numbers. 2 minus 9. First number is smaller than second number. Second number is larger. First number is small. Okay. First number is smaller than second. Then what we do? Yes. In the previous class we are discussing regrouping tens. So in tens place we are taking borrow 1 from the tens. We are taking 1 from the tens place. So this become 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So we are writing here, I just write here 12 only. 10, we are taking 1 from this tens place. So this 10 plus 2. This number become 10 plus 2, 12. 2 become 12. His tens place is 3. We are taking 1. Then what is remaining the? Yes, 2. Okay. Instead of 3, we want to write 2. Then 12 minus 9. How you get 12 minus 9? Second number. Then count it. After second number. 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. How many fingers here? 3 fingers. So we are writing here 3. Okay. Then here 2 minus 9 again. First number is smaller than second. So, we are taking 1 from here. So, this is 100 place. So, we are taking 100 plus 20. 100 plus 20. 2 is in the tens place. So, 100 plus 20 is 120. Here 100 place we are writing 12 only. So, here 12. This 5 become 4. Okay, this 5 become 4. 12 minus 3. Sorry, 12 minus 9. We are doing here 12 minus 9. 3. Good. Then 4. Here 4 only. 4 minus 9. This case also first number is smaller than second. What we do? We are taking 1 from the 1000 place. We are taking 1 from the 1000 place. So this become Here 4 become 14. Good. This 8 become 7. 14 minus 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 5 fingers. So we are writing here 5. Then 7 minus 2. First number is bigger than second. Okay, so it's possible. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. 5. 5. What is the answer? Subtract 2,999 from 8,532. 5,533. I remember in the previous class we are taking 1 from the tens place and 100 place only. But here today we are discussing, first we are taking tens place 1, then 100 place, then 1000 place. So today's our topic. What is today's our topic? Anyone can say? Yes, regrouping tens, 100 and 1000. What is our topic? Regrouping tens, 100 and 1000. So write down the heading. Regrouping tens, hundreds and thousands. Today's our aim is regrouping tens, hundred and thousands. Okay. Now you understand how to do this? Same way we will do another problem. Write down. Second question. Subtract 1,879 from 1,879 from 5,239. 1,879 from 5,239. You do. First draw the columns. Which is the first number? 5,239. 5,239 minus 1,879. Okay. Can I write the answer here? 9 minus 9? 18. Who says that? 18. 9 minus 10? Yes, 0. Then 3 minus 7. 4. 4? Snow. Here 3 minus 7 is possible. First number is smaller than second. So we are borrowing from, take 1 from the 100 place. So this we are taking 1 to here. This become 13. 13. This 2 become 1. 13 minus 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 6. Then 1 minus 8 is possible. First number is smaller than second. So what we do? We are borrow from the 1000 place. We are take 1 to the 100 place. This 1 become 11. This 5 become 4. 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8. 9, 10, 11. How many fingers? 3. 4 minus 1. Here 4 only there. 4 minus 1. 3. So what is answer? 3360. Okay, we will do another problem. Third question. Subtract subtract 1959 subtract 1959 from 3948. 3948. Subtract 1959 from 3948. Do. Same method you can follow. Okay, finish? Can I say the answer? 8 minus 9 is possible? No, because first number is smaller than second. So we are taking 1 from the tens place. This 8 become 18, 4 become 3. 18 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many fingers? 9. So we are writing here 9. Okay. Then 3 minus 5. That also not possible because here first number is smaller than second. So we are taking 1 from the hundreds place. This 3 become 30. 9 become 8. 13 minus 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 8. So we are writing 8 here. Okay. Then 8 minus 9 is possible? No. No one. 8 minus 9, not 9 minus 8. Okay. 8 minus 9. So it's not possible. We are taking 1 from the thousand place. This 8 become 18. This 3 become 2. 18 minus 9. Same way. 18 minus 10. 9. 2 minus 1, 1. So what is the answer? Subtract 1959 from 3948. 1989. Okay, we'll discuss some problems from your textbook and workbook. Tick the child in workbook. You are taking your workbook. Tick the child showing the correct solution. Here 2 children are there, A and B, doing their works. So here they are writing the answer. You check which is correct. Both are subtracting same number. Subtract 4614 from 6802. So both have different answers. So you just check it which is correct or not, that you tick it. Second question, find the differences. 4321 minus 3456. Then 5243 minus 1665. Okay, same. This way you are doing. Then third question is word problem. There are 3462 books in a library. 1589 of them are in English. How many books are in other languages? Okay, you should write the steps. Then in the previous class we are discussing, okay, page number 18, subtract using the column method. One has been done for you. Second question I will do here. Okay, the previous class answers. 672 minus 295. Draw the columns also. Okay, here they are writing, draw the columns, you write the digits there. 2 minus 5 is not possible, so we are taking 1 from here. This 6, 7 becomes 6, this 12, 12 minus 5, 7, 6 minus 9 also not possible. We are taking 1 from here. This 6 becomes 5, 16, here 7, 5 minus 2, 3. So this is the answer. Then second, subtract 7,342 minus 5,267. 2 minus 7 is not possible. We are taking 1 from here. This 4 becomes 3, 12. 12 minus 7, 5. 3 minus 6 also not possible. We are taking 1 from here. 2. 13 minus 6, 7. 2 minus 2, 0. 7 minus 5, 2. Okay. Then question number B in second. 7,275 minus 2,196. 5 minus 6 is not possible. We are taking 1 from here. 7 becomes 6. 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. 6 minus 9 is not possible. We are taking 1 from here. This 2 become 1. 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 9. 7. 1 minus 1, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. 2079 is the answer. The next question, find the missing digits. (8,764) minus dash dash 2. Answer is here 8. Here the missing number 3, 2. Okay, 4 minus 6. We are discussing this type problems in previous, same type problem we are discussing in the previous class. Okay, 4 minus any number, it's not possible. 4 minus any number is 8. So this become 8, 14. This 4 become 14, this 6 become 5. 14 minus 8. 14 minus one number is 8. So we will check it. Which number? 14, 8 is there. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many? 6. So 14 minus 6 is 8. Then 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, 3. Here we are taking 1 to here. So here only 5. Here 3. 7 minus 1 number is, 1 digit is 3. 7 minus 1 digit is 3. So which one? Yes, 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. 8 minus 1 digit is 2. Yes, 6. So the missing digits 6, 4, 3. Okay, then take your textbook. First, we are discussing the previous class answers. Arrange the numbers using column method and subtract. First, we are to arrange the numbers in column, then subtract. First, 675 minus 358. 5 minus 8 is not possible. We are taking 1 from here. This becomes 6. Sorry. This becomes 6. This 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, 7. Then 6 minus 5. Good. 1. 6 minus 3. 3. What is the answer? 370. Second number. 312 minus 196. 2 minus 6 is not possible. We are taking 1 from here. This 1 becomes 0. This 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 0 minus 9 is not possible. We are taking 1 from here. This 3 becomes 2. This 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 116. Third question. 502 minus 455. 2 minus 5 is not possible. So we are taking from here. Here there is no number. So we are taking 1 from this to here. This 5 becomes 4. We are taking 1 to this place, 10's place. This 0 becomes 10. From this we want to take 1. Don't take 1 from to here. Okay. The next place only we are borrowing. So we are taking 1 from the 100 place to 10's place. Then this number becomes 10. From this 10 we want to take 1 to the here. This 10 becomes 9. Here 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So many of them made the same mistake. This like. This is wrong. Okay. 5, not 2, minus 455. 2 minus 5 is not possible. Here there is no number. We are taking 1 to this number. It's 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Okay. Then 0 minus 5 is not possible. So we are taking 1 again. It's only 4. 4 taking 1. This becomes 3. Here 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Then 3 minus 4. They are writing. They are considered as 4 minus 3, 1. This is wrong. This is only correct. Okay. We are taking 1 from the 100 place to 10's place. Then that number will change. From that we want to take the 1's place. Okay. Then next question, second question. Subtract using column method. Two 1432 minus 1256. 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 2 is not possible, so we are taking 1 from here. This 4 becomes 3. It's 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. Next, 5741 minus 2378. 1 minus 8 is not possible. We are taking 1 from here. This 4 becomes 3. 11. 11 minus 8, 3. 3 minus 7 is not possible. We are taking 1 from here. This 7 becomes 6. This 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 7, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. 3363. Fourth question. (6,514 minus 5,026). So we are taking 1 from here. 4 minus 6 is not possible. So we are taking 1. This becomes 0. 14. 14 minus 6, 8. 0 minus 2 is not possible. We are taking 1 from here. This 5 become 4. 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 4 minus 0, 4. 6 minus 5, 1. Okay. Next question. (7,906 minus 3,285). You should draw the column. Okay. 6 minus 5, 1. 0 minus 8 is not possible. We are taking 1 from the 100 place to tens. This 0 become 10. This 9 become 8. 10 minus 8, 2. 8 minus 2, 6. 7 minus 3, 4. Then 9,500 minus 5,255. 0 minus 5 is not possible. We are taking from here. Here there is no number. So we are taking 1 from the 100 place to tens place. The 0 become 10. Okay. That you remember. We are taking 1 from the 100 place to tens place only. Not 1 space. So this 5 become 4. Then we want to take 1 from the 100 place. This 10 become 9. This 0 become 10. Okay, 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. Okay. Then filling the boxes with the missing digits. 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 2, 2, 8, 2. 7 minus 1 digit is equal to 2. Which is that digit? Yes, 5. Then 6 minus 1 digit is 8. Is possible? No. So, but 16 minus 1 digit is 8. Okay. So, this is not 6. This becomes 16. That means from here we want to take 1 to here. 16. 16 minus 1 digit is 8. What is that digit? Good. 8. Then here only 4. 4 minus 3, 1. So, all missing digits we will get. Then second question also. (5,216 minus 2). The remaining places are blanks. Here 0, 3, 1. So 6 minus 1 digit is 1. What is that digit? Yes, 5. Then 1 minus 1 digit is 3. Is possible? So this become 1 become 11. It's possible. Okay, so that means this 2 become 1. Here 11. 11 minus 1 digits. What is that? 8 or 7? 8, 9, 10, 11. So 3 is the. So here 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. 1 minus 1 digit is 0. What is that digit? Good, 1. Then 5 minus 2, 3. The answer 3. Okay. Then today we are discussing regrouping tens, hundreds and thousands. There are like some problems from your textbook. Lesson 3, regrouping tens, hundred, thousands. First question, find the error in the subtraction problem. Show the correct solution. Here some errors are there. that you find out and write the correct solution. Second, subtract using the column method. We are doing column method. Same way you subtract the problems. Second, story problem. First question. Farah had rupees 5,000. She gave rupees 2,675 to Rima. How much money is left with Farah? So this is story problem. You should write the steps. Each step you write down. Second, a stadium has 7,834 seats. A stadium has 7,834 seats. 3,456 seats are occupied. How many seats are vacant? Third problem, 3,462 pupils live in a town. If there are 2,823 men and women, how many children are there? So these three problems are subtraction. We want to do subtraction. Find the difference. So you should write the step also. Okay. Today we are discussing. Today's topic is regrouping tens, hundred, thousands. We will do some problems, and also we are discussing the previous class workbook and textbook problems, and also we are discussing the text using this regrouping tens and hundreds, some problems from your textbook and workbook. Okay, I hope all are understood this regrouping tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, if you have any doubt, you just contact me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.